What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel, and today we do have an exciting video. We have the best deals on Amazon for the week. Up first, we have the men's Carhartt. This is a Force Relax t-shirt. It's a midweight for a limited time deal. It's only $18.74. Like always, friends, this is a very fast-paced video. If you see anything you like, pause the video, click the link in the description because these deals do not last. In the number 2 spot, we have the JBL Beam. This is back on sale again. True wireless, Bluetooth 5.2. It's water and dust resistant. Up to 32 hours of battery life. Another limited time deal at $39.95. And now from Thermacell, we have their mosquito repeller. This is great for the patio. It does have a nice 15-foot zone of protection, which is pretty good considering the size of it. Has a 12-hour refill. Another 43% savings here, only $15.41. And now for those of you who love to stream, we have the Roku Ultra. This unit is fantastic. Also, friends, let me just quickly remind you, do not forget about the giveaway. The link will be in the comments section. Click that link, follow the directions from there, and enter the giveaway. This is a limited time deal from Roku, a 4K streaming device, has HDR10, Wi-Fi 6, Atmos, which is unbelievable, $79.99. And if you're a fan of Roku, we also have their indoor cameras. These security cameras come in a 2-pack. They're 1080p. These are perfect, especially if you have pets around the household. These are wired, so keep that in mind. A 2-pack, but look at the price. Not bad at all for $34.99. And yes, you can link it right up to the app. And moving on to the number 6 spot from Chefman, we have their electric kettle with a temperature control. 5 presets and an LED indicator, has that 360-degree swivel base, and it's BPA free. A limited time deal. They also sell this at Costco as well, $29.97. An excellent deal from Philips Norelco. We do have their nose trimmer 5000. This is perfect for your nose, your ears, your eyebrows. A great trimming kit here. Another limited time deal, only $16.96. And for our first responders from 3M, we have the Lippmann stethoscopes, the 6165, 27 inches in length, a limited time deal. These are fantastic. I own them myself, $169.99. And here we have a pretty sweet deal from Amazon Basics. We have their folding utility knife. It's super lightweight with aluminum body. Now it's on sale, 38% savings. This is the lowest price in 30 days, only $5.67. Also from Amazon Basics, we have their window squeegee. It does come with a little itty bitty handle. This is a great item to pick up. It's one of those items that you never knew you would like till you actually buy it. It's very useful around the household, for your car, glass mirrors, windows, you name it. $5.93. And what a great discount this time from Simple Green, a 40% savings. Look at this kit. This is their all-purpose cleaner. You get the spray, you get 2 refills. It's a 3-piece set we're looking at. What a great kit, only $14.99. For our fur babies, we have the very popular dog plush toy. This is a lamb chop. It's 10 inches in size. They have 5 squeakers inside of it. But look at that discount, 36% off. But we also have a nice coupon where we can save another $1.12 off. That's going to get the price down to $3.35. Another great deal from Amazon Basics, we're looking at their lightweight packing cubes. Now this does come in a 4-pack, but the only one at this price point is the color gray. But look at the price of the other units. You're seeing $24, $23. This one's almost 50% less at $12.74. And check out this pretty cool gadget I found, a watermelon slicer. Look at this. Now, just the other day, I was asking my viewers how to find the ripest watermelon at Costco, and look what I came across, this watermelon slicer at 38% savings. Not bad at all, only $4.99. Now, if you're looking for an outdoor storage box, check out this one from Vivor. It's 100-gallon, it's waterproof. Now, these are starting to become more popular. A lot of people are tired of those plastic resin outdoor storage boxes. They warp, they crack when they get cold. These won't do that, and they also have a nice vent in them. These are pretty nice, $42.55. And next up from Apple, we have their iPad. This is their 11-inch iPad with the A16 chip in it. Has a liquid retina display, 128 gigs of memory, Wi-Fi 6 with a 12 megapixel camera in the front and the rear, all-day battery life, $50 savings, bringing the price down to $299 even. And now from Stanley, we're looking at their Ice Flow. This is their stainless steel tumbler, and I do like this tumbler a lot. Now, I prefer the 30 ounce over the 40 ounce, but they're both on sale. So the 30 ounce, you can grab it for $26.25, and the 40 ounce is $33.75. Both of them are 25% savings, perfect for Father's Day just around the corner. Another great Father's Day gift we're looking at is the Hoto 25-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. Now, this is not your typical screwdriver. It's meant for electronics, very small electronics, or very small screws. So keep that in mind. This is a great set to pick up. What's nice about it is we have an additional 40% off saving, which is excellent. Grab this coupon code right there, apply it at checkout, and that will get the price down to $30. As requested, I did find this collapsible foldable wagon cart from Vivor, a 350-pound weight capacity, pretty much similar to the one they sell at Costco from Mac, except that one is $96. This one right here, a 35% savings at a fraction of the cost, and it does have the all-terrain wheels as well. Very nice cart here. Now the size, they're pretty much equivalent, except this one is only $51.52. Alright friends, it's that time of the video where I am going to announce the secret code for the giveaway. Grab that secret code 4997 and enter it into the giveaway. That will get you an additional 5 entries. Now remember friends, if you are new to the channel, we're giving away the Shark Wand Vac. It's a Power Pet cord-free handheld vacuum that only weighs 1.5 pounds. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Click that link in the comment section. It's absolutely free to enter the giveaway, and just follow the directions from there. Don't forget to add the secret code for the giveaway, which will give you an additional 5 entries. And now from Greenworks, in the number 20 spot, we have their 80-volt cordless leaf blower. This is a great buy, especially if you already own the batteries. Maybe you have another lawnmower, or maybe you have the string trimmer. Now this is just a tool only, so you get no charger, you get no battery, just a tool for only $99 even. In the number 21 spot, my favorite TV show, we have Friends. We have the Central Perk ceramic mug. Now this is their oversized mug. Pretty sweet mug here, 24 ounces. You can use it for coffee, you can use it for soup, you can put it on your desk for decoration. 32% savings, only $7.37. In the number 22 spot, these are also sweet from Carhartt. We have the Defender lightweight logo hooded graphic t-shirts. These are super cool. 25% savings. That's $10 off, so it's not bad. From $39.99 to now $29.99. A limited time deal. Fantastic. And now from Flexzilla, we have their air hose. This is a 1/4 inch, 25 feet in length. Pretty sweet deal here. The lowest price in 30 days. If you do have an air compressor in your household, this is a nice 47% savings, only $11.87. Another great deal from Flexzilla, we have their garden hose. 5/8 of an inch thick, 100 feet in length. It's lightweight, but yet it's heavy duty. Now, I just purchased this about a month ago, maybe 2 months ago now. Oh, there it is. April 10th, I did buy it. I bought the 75 feet, and so far, I'm pretty happy with my purchase. But this one right here, 100 feet in length for $54. What a great buy. Definitely jump on this if you need that long of a hose. It's award-winning by HDTV 2024. And if you do pick up that hose, you're going to need something to store it in. This one from Liberty Garden, it's a 200-foot hose storage box, and it looks pretty awesome with that beautiful bronze color, 17 by 23 by 18 inches in height. And today we have a beautiful savings, 30% off, only $69.88. Perfect for Father's Day. And next up from DeWalt, we have our 20-volt max jigsaw tool. Now this is just a tool only, but it's a fantastic buy. It's a great tool to own. Now a lot of people are going to be asking, well, how do you know it's a great buy? Because I do pay for software and I track a lot of buys here. I come down to my graphs. I can see the average tool for this price is about $140, a little bit higher at this price point at $179. It drops down a little bit to $129, but we can see here it tanks all the way down to $98. What a buy. So that's how I do my research. Just in case you were wondering, click the links in the descriptions because these deals do not last. And next up from Roku, once again, this time we're looking at their Pro Series. This is their Smart TV 65-inch, 50% savings. Another great deal, limited time deal with the Dolby Vision IQ, 120 Hz refresh rate. Fantastic. This is a great TV, $599.99. Now, I just came across this deal from Creative Co-op. Now, the original price is about $20, but now a great savings at 58% off. Now, this is a pretty nice stoneware honey pot, so I like it a lot. Pretty sweet looking, nice design, great price, only $7.49. Our first Lego for today's video, we have the Speed Champions. We're looking at the Mercedes AMG. We get a 2-pack here, 2 cars. We get the G-Wagon, the 63, and then we have the SL63. Both of them are sweet. I'll take the G-Wagon any day. 20% savings at $36 even. And next up, I do have a pretty sweet outlet extender for you. Now this does have USB, has 6 AC plugs, 3 USB ports, pretty sweet looking plug here, and the price is even better at $8.99. And now from Energizer, we have their AAA Max batteries. Now these are awesome. We have a 24 count here. What's even better is we have an additional 30% off coupon, which is great. Just come down, click this coupon code for an additional 30% off when you subscribe and save. And for those of you who don't want to subscribe, just subscribe and then immediately cancel once you check out. It's as simple as 1, 2, 3. That's going to bring the price down to only $8.32. And next up from Brooks, we have the men's Ghost. These are the Ghost 16s, the neutral running shoe. I love Brooks. These are awesome. The lowest price in 30 days at $99.95. Also keep in mind, friends, they do sell these sneakers at Costco.com as well. And it's that time of the year we're going to start seeing deals on outdoor power equipment. This one from Eagle Power, we have their leaf blower. It does come with a 5 amp battery, which is awesome, 320 watt charging, and it also comes with an additional battery at 2.5 amps, which is pretty sweet. A limited time deal. Check out that price, only $299.99. And I'll give you another sweet deal from Eagle as well. We're looking at their string trimmer, their 56 volt, 16 inch string trimmer. You get 2 batteries as well, a 4 amp and a 2.5 amp, 320 watt charger included. Pretty sweet deal at $299.99. You buy them both, you're going to have plenty of batteries. Now I actually have a few more Stanley deals I do want to show you. This one in front of us, we have the Stanley Quencher. Now this is their tumbler, BPA free. You get the straw, $21 even. Now this is the 30 ounces. Like I mentioned earlier, I do prefer the 30 over the 40 just because the 40 is a little bit top heavy and it does tip over a lot. And for our PlayStation fans, I do have the controller on sale, Midnight Black. Now, a lot of people are going to ask, well, how do you know this is a good deal? It's a limited time deal. The normal price usually around $70. I come down, I look at my graphs. I can see here the average price for the past 3 months. It all hovered around 70. Boom, it drops down to $54.88. What a great deal. Another great deal from Stanley. We're looking at their Adventure all-in-one here. This is their Brew French press, 32 ounces in total. This would make a pretty sweet Father's Day gift in my opinion. You don't have to use this for camping. You can actually just use it in your regular kitchen. It's a great buy. It's stainless steel, $19, not bad. Now, how do I know this is a good deal? I come down, I look at my charts, I can see the average price across the board, $26, and then boom, it dropped down to $19. So it's a great buy. Now, yes, I know it's summertime, but if you blink your eyes, winter will be here. This is a great time to pick up a nice saving on an Under Armour beanie, 50% off. The lowest price in 30 days, only $11. Why not grab one? And I almost forgot to show you this one from Ego. We have their lawnmower. This is their 21-inch self-propelled lawnmower. You get 2 batteries, a limited time deal for $599.99. And our final product for today's video, we're looking at the Stanley All Day Quencher. This is for the 40-ounce tumbler. This is a nice crossbody bag. The lowest price in 30 days. Pretty sweet deal. Keep your phone, keep your chapstick, your keys. Look at that price, 50% off. What a great deal at $15 even. I do want to quickly mention all these deals in today's video. I manually source them. I try to find you the best deals here on Amazon, and then I post them up on YouTube, and hopefully I get some views. Now, if I don't, that's okay as well. I'm just trying to save everybody a little bit of money. Now, I don't have any skin in the game. I don't have any sponsorships, none of that stuff. This is just raw good deals here on Amazon. I do check my charts to make sure you're getting a good deal. Now, this lawnmower, we can see it was $6.99 in March. In April, it was $6.99. It jumped up to $850, 850-ish in May, and now for June, boom, down to $5.99. This is a good deal. Substantial savings here. For the past 3 months, I can check the price history. I can go back a year if I want to. I can go back 500 days if I want, and we can see the history here. The last time this was $5.99 was back in, what is this? May 2024. So about a year ago. I have the price history right in front of me. Everything I show you in today's video, I'm showing you deals. If you see something you like, click the link in the description, purchase it, come back and finish watching my video. I don't want you to miss out on these deals. I don't have any sponsorships. I don't have any skin in the game. Hopefully someday I will. I'm just trying to show you some great deals here on Amazon, and I'm going to keep this video a little bit on the shorter side. Hopefully you do watch it to the very end. Hopefully you did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We do put out the best Costco footage around. Thank you for the support. Thank you for everything. Make sure you enter the giveaway. It's absolutely free. The Shark Wombat. I think there's a couple of days left before they do announce the giveaway. Yeah, so tomorrow we're going to do the flash deals at Costco. Friday we'll have the clearance video at Costco. I'm going to do a Lowe's video this week, I think, or maybe Sam's Club. I'm not too sure, depending upon my schedule. But thank you, friends. Leave a comment below if you like this video. Show me some love. Show me support. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video, friends. Peace.